Elephant? This is an animal very interesting. So, what do you know about elephant? What?
The elephant is the biggest animal mammal, biggest mammal in the earth, on the earth. They have the thin gray skin and they heavy, very heavy. They have a sharp and to a stud. People who run away hunting elephant to use stud for the chemical. That I think so. Elephant.
Oh, that's right. This is a very special animal. So, what makes them special? Do any know about that?
Both male and female African elephant grow tusks, and each individual either be left or right tusks, and the one they use more is usually smaller because of wear and tear. Elephant in tusks serve many purposes. The extend teeth and can be used to protect the elephant trunk, leaf and move objects, gather food and strip back from trees. They can also be used for defense. During times of drought, elephants use their tusks to dig holes to find water underground. Two genetically different African species exist: the savanna elephant and the forest elephant. Asian elephants differ in several ways from their African relatives. More than 10 distinct physical differences between them. For example, Asian elephants' ears are smaller compared to the French ears of the African species. Only some male Asian elephants have tusks, while both male and female African elephants grow tusks. And
I think elephant species about my smart elephant about smart animal, very smart animal. A story shoot. One day an elephant want to drink water. But the water was there in the pot. The elephant cannot reach this vision, so we speak a stone with the trunk and let them store the pot. The water come up, and the elephant can reach it. We were very happy. This shows that elephants are very cheap. So
Okay, thanks for your opinions. In short, elephant is the special animal species by the rival and their intelligent animal. That's
Thanks for listening.
Thanks for
policy
watching.
When